Every time somebody mentions a trip to Machakos, almost everyone thinks of Mombasa Road. But today we are doing things different. We are leaving the highway behind and taking the forgotten route through Kangundo Road, a drive that many people don't even know it exists. As we begin climbing Mua Hills, the road transforms into a series of sweeping bends and sharp corners, winding its way through the mountains. Every turn reveals another breathtaking view, making it almost impossible not to slow down and admire the scenery. And then, there it is. Far below, Machakos Town slowly comes into view, resting peacefully at the foothills of this mountain. From up here, the town looks tiny, surrounded by the vast Machakos plain stretching towards the horizon. This is a side of Machakos that most visitors never get to see. One thing that surprises me every time I use this route is just how green everything is. If you've never been here, you probably picture Ukambani as a dry, dusty, and struggling with water. But these hills tell a completely different story. The landscape is covered with lush green vegetation, scattered farms, towering trees, and roaring green slopes that challenge everything many people think they know about this region. It's hard to believe you are on a short drive from Nairobi. The higher we climb, the more spectacular the views becomes. The mountain seems to stretch endlessly, while the roads gracefully snake around them, creating one of the most scenic drives in Kenya. This isn't just a road, it's an experience. The kind of a drive where you find yourself looking left, then right, then straight ahead, wondering which direction offers the best view. And honestly, there isn't one. Every angle is beautiful. As we continue descending towards Machakos, it's easy to understand why this county has become one of the Kenya's fastest growing places to live and invest. Surrounded by hills and blessed with incredible scenery, it's a destination that deserves far more attention than it gets. Sometimes all it takes is choosing the road less traveled to discover the completely different side of a place you've driven too many times before. Sometimes all it takes is choosing the road less traveled to discover a completely different side of the place you've driven too many times before. If this is your for more road trips across Kenya, where we explore places beyond the ordinary. The next video will be getting into Machakos County. Don't miss out on that one too. Adios muchachos, and thank you for watching all the way to the end. Enjoy.